We are going to start then the question number C. Question number C, and let's continue. You can continue from the same page itself, question C. What you have to do here, look here, first of all, look here. Find the area of the squares with the following side. आपको area of square निकालना है. So first question I'll give you is of, wait a second, is 7 centimeters suppose. ठीक है, तो आप क्या करोगे? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस इज इफ इट इज गिवन, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप लिखोगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. ओके, so answer will be 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter, which is equals to 7 sevens are 49 centimeters square. Is it okay? Understood everyone? Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What do you have to do now? Okay, now we everyone take out your maths square notebook and start doing this in your maths square notebook. On the you can continue from the same page. Like first question I have given to you. Similarly, you have to do the second, third, and fourth. Jaldi se karo quickly and send the answers to me on WhatsApp. Keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on so that I can see that you are doing the work. Keep your cameras on and start doing it. Discuss the answers now. Okay, everyone? Are you able to hear me? I hope I'm not
Friend, please take my.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Karthik.
Ma'am, I have sent it. Please check.
Okay, wait for a minute. ठीक है, कौन है ये? तन्मय, करेक्ट. ओके, गुड. हु इज दिस? बेटा ये स्क्वायर जो बना रहे हो, इसके अंदर स्क्वायर क्यों बनाया? ये डिब्बा जो क्यों बनाया कार्तिक? हाँ, इट्स नॉट नीडेड. ये स्क्वायर जो बनाया है 2 की पावर में, वो उसकी नीड नहीं है. नोएल, बेटा improve your handwriting. These days it is so lightly you have written. And multiply, what is this multiply? Okay, this one. Okay, first one is 49 meter square. Okay, बेटा second one है. Okay, ठीक है, good. Noel, correct. Okay, let's discuss the answers first of all. We are getting late otherwise. Okay, let's see. Area of the square, second answer. Let's see the second answer. Area of square is equals to side multiplied by side. So side here is how much? 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter again. So 15 is how much? 125 centimeter. Okay,
220.
sorry, 225. I'm so sorry. It will be 225 centimeter है, और centimeter के ऊपर there will be square. There will be small square. Karthik Shankar, I don't know why are you making that box over there. Just give me a minute. 225 centimeter square. ये 2 है, power 2 है. 1 लग रही है ये, but 2 है ये power. Okay, it's like 2. अब 2 लग रही है. Okay. Similarly here. Again here this side 25. इसको क्या करेंगे? 25. First we will write area of square. Area of square is equals to side multiply by side. Side multiply by SID, each side. Okay, area of square is equals to side multiply by side. Then we will write it side in multiply by side. Wait. So we will write equal to, why is it not coming? Yeah, equals to, side is here 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter multiply by 25 centimeter, which is equals to how much? Which is equals to how much? Tell me quickly.
6. मैम 625
625 सेंटीमीटर की पावर 2। और बेटा अभी मैंने आई हैव सीन सम ऑफ यू राइटिंग 2 हियर। कुछ लोग 2 यहाँ पर यहाँ पर लिख रहे हैं। सेंटीमीटर से पहले पहले नहीं लिखा जाता है बेटा, ये बाद में लिखा जाता है 2 हियर। ओके 625 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। नाउ द लास्ट वन। ओके लास्ट वन, गिव मी अ सेकंड। Okay, last one again. We will write here area of square is equals to side multiply by side. Here then we equals to 10 multiply by 10 millimeter. Here mm means millimeter. 10 millimeter multiply by 10 millimeter, which is equals to 10 10 से 20 देखा मैंने लिखा हुआ बेटा. We are not adding it, we are multiplying it. It will be 100 millimeter का square. 100 millimeter और इसके ऊपर आ जाएगा आपका square. Millimeter के ऊपर there will be
Yes.
small power of 2. Do it quickly, जल्दी से करो, complete it. Then we will
Ma'am, I
start the
have
next
done.
exercise. Now we will start the next exercise. Jaldi
Every
se
time.
complete it. Those who have not done it, just do it. Those who have done mistakes, just correct your mistakes. And those who have done it correctly, well and good, very good. Jaldi se complete it. Check your answers also carefully. Okay, shall we start the next exercise? It is word problems related to the perimeter, but they are very easy. Oh, sorry, it's area, not perimeter. Sorry. It's related to the area word problems, next word problems. So 10 minutes are left. We can do at least 2 questions in that one. Okay, now let us start the next exercise. Okay, the next exercise is given on page number 135. This you have to do in maths pair notebook again. I don't know why is it not working. Okay. Maths pair notebook. Take out your maths pair notebook. Okay, on a new page itself. Okay, Pratyush, why are you late? Okay, let's start. Okay, Ahad, read the. Okay, Pratyush, you read the question. Pratyush, read question 1. It is given on page number 135. Page 135. Pratyush, are you able to hear me? Pratyush, are you able to hear me?
Ma'am, which page number?
It's on page 135. It's written at the top over there. Page number 135. It is given on. Okay, Pratishtha, you read the question 1. Pratishtha, you read question 1. Why everyone is switching off their cameras and sitting behind the camera without switching on the cameras? Keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on. Sitting behind the camera and sitting idle. Are you able to hear me? Okay, Noel, you read the next first question. Then read first question.
Okay, ma'am. A rectangle is 13 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. What is its area?
Okay, so a rectangular box is given to you. Wide is breadth also. Wide ko beta I told you. Wide is the short form of first form of width. और width और breadth एक ही चीजें होती है. There is no difference between the breadth and width. or long is the first form of length. So what is given here in the first question, a rectangular box is there and it is 13 centimeter long. That means length of that box is 13 centimeter and 8 centimeter wide. What find its area? You have to find the area of that box. So how will you find the area? How to find out the area? Tell me quickly. जल्दी से बताओ कैसे निकालते हैं? Tell me quickly, beta, don't waste time. How to find out its area? Nobody knows. Nobody knows how to find out the area of a rectangle. I will not teach you further, बेटा मैं आगे नहीं पढ़ाऊंगी अगर आप ऐसे ही अगर टाइम करने वाले हैं तो. You are all supposed to reply. How will you calculate the area? Adeshika, how will you calculate the area? Adeshika, how will you calculate the area?
Ma'am, multiply.
What you will multiply? What you will multiply?
From 13 centimeter to 8 centimeter.
But why will you multiply? Why will you multiply? What is the reason to multiply them? क्यों multiply करोगे उन्हें? Why will you calculate the area by this only? Very bad class. Fourth is very least responding. Nobody is responding my answer questions. Nobody. मतलब सबको आता है ये अभी बता दिया. What is area? Length into breadth is the area. How to calculate the area? Length into breadth is the area. Nobody is responding in class until and unless I am asking you. Very bad. It's better to teach in 4th B and 4th C. At least they are responding well. 4th they never respond well. Sitting behind the cameras, keeping the cameras off, calling their name, I'm calling out their names and they're not responding. If next time it happens, na Pratyush especially, if it happens, if I call your name and you're not going to respond it, I'm going to throw you or remove you out of the meeting. That's it. I'm going to remove you from the meeting next time. If I call out your name and you didn't respond, that means you're not sitting and studying. You're doing something else. Right now. What is this kind of behavior? Nobody even responding. What I'm asking, nobody is telling. Mic on करो बेटा, mic on करके बोल सकते हो. What I'm asking you. या तो मैं mute पे कर देती आप सबको. Shall I do this? बोल ही नहीं पाओगे फिर तो. Nobody is responding in class. I have given you permission to unmute yourself and speak whatever you want to.
Ma'am,
Still you are not doing it. Very bad.
can I answer?
Yes, obviously.
Length of the rectangular box.
Just you can write length of the box. Because rectangular is a big word, so you can write length of the box. 13 centimeter. Breadth of the box is 8 centimeter wide. You get 8 centimeter like this. Now write down the area. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Just write it. Is equals to L into B. So L के नीचे you will write 13 centimeter and breadth के नीचे you will write 8 centimeter. Just multiply it and get your answer here. So the area of box is next time I don't want this kind of behavior. Everyone has to answer. If you're sitting in class, that means all of you have to answer. Whatever I'm asking from you. Pratyush, open your video or speak something. I want to know whether you're present in the class or not. Right? Start doing it quickly. Nobody is responding. Karthik, switch on your camera. Apurva and Shaurya, switch on your camera. Fahad, camera on. Tanmay, camera on. Ritvik, camera on. Avika, camera on. Pratishtha, camera on.
Ma'am, we
Acha, I think I suppose
we
you
are
finished
again
with
and
me.
again.
Okay, Avika, Apurva and Shaurya, it's okay. Done,
Ma'am, the
camera
answer
on.
is 104.
Ritvik, camera on. Avika, camera on. Avika, she never switches her camera on. हमेशा बोलना पड़ता है. Pratishtha, you also with same with you. मैं camera on करो. Ahat, camera on.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Not Advika, I'm asking